Right.
The weather is heating up, though, and more people will be gathering outside. So the downside of that, of course, the CDC warning of the potential surge of COVID-19 cases this summer.
We found out that the newest variants are more contagious than previous strands, but positive case numbers are still low in our community, which is good news. Fox 55's Brianna Bias is live in studio this evening to show us those numbers and explain how to protect yourself from the virus. Bree?
Tara, Brian, we're 4 years removed now from the start of the pandemic, and many of us might be tired of hearing and thinking about COVID-19, but local experts tell me it's still a very relevant conversation for our community, especially as we approach a potential summer surge in cases. Now, I want to start by giving you a little bit of context of what those numbers are looking like in Allen County. According to the Department of Health, 26 people have died of COVID-19 in Allen County between January and April. For comparison, 14 people have died in homicides and 10 died in traffic accidents during that time. But while there have been more COVID-related deaths, the Department of Health tells me that's still a huge improvement compared to where we were last year. But the CDC says now, ahead of a potential summer surge, is the best time to be vigilant about protecting your health. Stacey Kazmarek with SuperShot in Fort Wayne says getting the updated vaccine isn't just about protecting yourself. It's about protecting other people who might have weaker immune systems.
We're protecting from severe disease, right? So even if you get your COVID vaccine, you might still be exposed to and get COVID down the road, but you're not going to get the level of disease that you would have had you not gotten that vaccine.
The most recent vaccine was released in September, and if you haven't gotten it yet, Kazmarek recommends making an appointment with SuperShot online to get the most recent dose. And the most recent variants are called FLIRT, which stands for a bunch of long scientific terms that we don't need to get into. And those variants fall under the Omicron umbrella. The good news is, for our community, there have only been about 3,000 positive cases in Allen County so far this year, and that's far less than where we were this time last year. We'll continue to keep you updated on those case numbers, though, as the CDC braces for a potential summer surge. In studio, I'm Brianna Bias, Fox 55 News.